Hi. Since the second half of the 20th century, women's labor force participation has grown significantly. Women work longer hours and they pursue higher education in greater numbers. However, despite this progress, significant wage gaps between men and women persist. So, what exactly is gender pay gap? It is the difference in earnings between women and men. By achieving a gender pay equality, economies and societies can flourish. Here are a few statistics about gender pay in certain regions and countries. The overall gender pay gap in EU is around 16.3%, in UK it's 18.3%, and in US it's about 19%. Women in tech make 17.5% less wages than men. Women get 4% to 45% less job offers than men in US tech industry. And finally, women are less likely to apply for promotions even if they are qualified. So, what exactly are the causes for gender pay gap? There are more men in senior roles than women. Men are more likely to work in management positions and executive positions. Women are paid less than men for the same role. Women depend on the needs of their families and work intermittently, which ends up affecting their work experience. All these points are the causes for gender pay gap. In the past 5 years, the pay gap has reduced by 7%. Even though it is a huge improvement, there is still a 19% gap between the pay for men and women in 2020. To tackle this misery of gender pay gap, we as a team have come up with an application which is called as EquiPay. For the target market, we have chosen tech industry in US. Here we are targeting working women in the age bracket of 25 to 50 years and also university graduates. So, what are the benefits of using EquiPay? To put it in simpler terms, it is a platform for sharing information about pay and creating awareness regarding gender pay gap. EquiPay will help users in sharing information regarding salaries anonymously where only the gender will be visible. EquiPay will provide networking opportunities for people and mainly women, and finally it will also provide necessary trainings and certifications required for tech industry in US. This will be provided for both men and women who are interested. Business model for EquiPay is mainly based on subscription and fee from awareness campaigns. Basic features of the app will be free for everyone, which includes writing and reading reviews and also networking opportunities for people. Premium subscription will unlock features such as skills training, certifications, and salary negotiation training. There are several financial plans to gather enough capital to kickstart the startup. One is crowdfunding, bank loans, national corporate loans, and finally, private equity funds. The most viable option is going for crowdfunding. Here there are 3 steps. Step 1 is creating a campaign on crowdfunding websites such as Spark Crowdfunding, Funded.ie, Facebook donations, etc. Step 2 is creating awareness by advertising the campaign on social networking sites. This will be an added bonus to spread the word about EquiPay. Step 3 is donation-based crowdfunding and reward-based crowdfunding. We have divided the stakeholders into 6 groups, and those are users, governments, companies, media, universities, and non-profit organizations. As far as governance and operations are concerned, initially we will spread the awareness about the usefulness of the app. Then we will make the app available both on App Store and Play Store. Then step 3 will be to provide the platform to review and create awareness campaigns. Finally, we will help make the whole pay structure more transparent. EquiPay will be available both on App Store and Play Store. The users have to download it first, then they can register and it will be registered anonymously. Later, they can read and write reviews anonymously for free in the basic features of the app, and also can create awareness campaigns for $150. And if they subscribe for premium subscription, more features will be unlocked such as skills training and certification and also salary negotiation training. The whole aim of EquiPay is to help narrow down the gender pay gap. Coming to the theory of change, the major impact of EquiPay will be narrowing down the gender pay gap and giving better opportunities for women. The main goal is to achieve gender pay equality. There are 3 main activities. One is financing, 2. App development and marketing, and finally, building database and creating awareness. The key indicators for financing will be crowdfunding and amount of money funded. For app development and marketing, it will be the number of downloads, number of subscriptions, and number of campaigns initiated. For building database and creating awareness, the key indicators will be better pay and opportunities for women. The main driving behavior is that every woman wants gender pay equality and every government wants better economy. The main assumption that we are assuming is the density of leaders striving for gender equality and political leaders' support for wage equality to boost the economy. For the results, there are 4 stages. One is the input, second one is the short-term outcome, third one is the medium-term outcome, and finally the long-term outcome. The results will be explained in detail in the coming slides. The input will be to build database by collecting data from users and to provide platform for information sharing anonymously, especially for salary conditions and women versus men's working conditions. Finally, setting up the platform to initiate awareness campaigns. The short-term outcomes will be to eliminate the issue to the general mass and creating an awareness to force the companies to pay equally to women. For the medium-term outcome, we are expecting to reduce the gender pay gap in tech industry, alleviate female financial burden, improve professional status of women, ease female mental stress, boost business productivity and profits, and finally to help improve economies and societies. For the long-term outcome, we are planning to achieve gender pay equality completely or at least narrow it down. For scaling up our one-of-a-kind application, we are planning to expand our operations to UK and Europe. And finally, we would like to thank all the faculty for helping us to learn so much about ethical business. Cheers.